In a land filled with imagination and creativity, there lived a young boy named Steve. Steve was curious, inventive, and always had a twinkle of excitement in his eyes. He loved exploring the world around him and dreaming up new ideas. From a young age, Steve had a passion for technology. He was fascinated by how machines worked and how they could make people's lives better. Steve spent countless hours tinkering with gadgets, taking them apart and putting them back together, just to understand their inner workings. One day, Steve discovered a magical computer in a dusty old attic. It was unlike anything he had ever seen before. The computer had a small, colorful apple on it, and it seemed to shimmer with possibilities. As Steve touched the computer, he felt a surge of inspiration and knew he had found something extraordinary. Driven by his newfound discovery, Steve dedicated himself to learning everything he could about computers. He read books, attended classes, and surrounded himself with other brilliant minds who shared his passion. Together, they formed a team and started a company called Apple. Steve had big dreams for Apple. He wanted to create computers that were user-friendly, powerful, and beautiful. He believed that technology should be accessible to everyone, young and old alike. With his team, he worked day and night to bring his vision to life. Their first creation was the Apple I, a computer that could fit on a desk. People marveled at its simplicity and elegance. But Steve didn't stop there. He wanted to push the boundaries even further. The team at Apple poured their hearts into creating the Macintosh, a computer that had a graphical user interface. This meant that instead of typing commands, people could use a mouse to navigate and click on icons. It was a revolution in the world of technology. Steve's passion and determination inspired others, and soon people from all over the world fell in love with Apple's products. They marveled at the iPod, a pocket-sized music player, and the iPhone, a device that could do so much more than just make phone calls. But Steve's journey wasn't always smooth. There were times when he faced challenges and setbacks. Yet he never gave up. He believed that failure was just another step towards success. He said, "The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do." Steve's creativity and innovation didn't stop at computers and gadgets. He also had a vision for how technology could shape the world of entertainment. He created Pixar Animation Studios, a company that made incredible animated films loved by children and adults alike. Steve's love for technology and his desire to make a difference in the world made him a true visionary. His inventions and ideas touched the lives of millions, bringing people together and making the world a smaller, more connected place. Although Steve is no longer with us, his legacy lives on. Every time we use a smartphone, listen to music, or watch an animated movie, we can remember the man who dared to dream and make those dreams a reality. And so, children, let Steve's story inspire you to dream big, think differently, and never be afraid to explore the world of technology. Just like Steve, you too can change the world with your imagination and innovation.